SCADA is just gaining popularity in industrial automation. How it works and how people just are gaining benefits from it, we are going to see from our expert, Mr. Vikas also. So Vikas sir, you can just tell me that how PLC SCADA is helpful and how we are just automating everything in industries and what are the benefits for it?
Okay, first of all, let me introduce that what industrial automation is. Anything we talk of today is industrial automation. Okay, industrial automation is used in almost all the industries, which are giant industries, big industries in Delhi NCR region. If we talk of big and bulky industries in any part of India, they use automated tools as well as automated technology in order to drive production. And for this, we have the use of PLC and SCADA. Let me get in touch with some examples. Like we have automated tools over here, and these tools are connected with computer technology, the latest technology, and now these tools are used to generate the desired output, what we call it industrial automation. Each and every specific tool which you can see over here, you can have a look on these tools. These tools are automated. We can generate the desired output with these kind of tools, what we have over here. And these tools are again connected with the big bulky machines to generate the output as per as this desired output. Okay, the first of all the thing which we look after here is the precision and accuracy of the product what we want to generate. Okay, it is very important as we are looking at quality products, not the quantity products. So quality is equally important, and these tools are required to generate the desired quality products with a great precision and a great accuracy, and quality is up to the optimum level. So PLC and SCADA are the two main technologies used for again the automotive sector. If we talk of automobile sector, may it be Maruti Udyog, may it be Force Automobile, may it be JCB, any other sector, may it be Escorts in Faridabad, automotive sector is always there. If we talk of shipbuilding industry, automotive sector is there. If we talk of heavy industry, automotive sector is there. If we talk of again infrastructure, automation is involved over there also. Okay, so automation is there in each and every technology what we talk of. So again we can have a look on these kind of components. How we go forward with that? We link generally the components along with our computer, and there we give proper commands in order for the desired output, and we have NC and CNC machines in order to give the output over here.
One more question is that there are so many technologies for engineers. So how PLC and SCADA training program is going to just help the engineers for their future?
See, PLC and SCADA technology is basically related to the engineering streams, which is electrical and electronics, electrical and instrumentation, electronics and communication again go for PLC and SCADA. So these branches are mainly specific in industrial automation. See, because as an electronic or electrical engineer, everybody needs to move to the power sector or to the industries where a lot of goods are produced. So where there this industrial automation technology is involved, and in order to give a brief overview on that, one need to have a proper knowledge of PLC and SCADA, both of them. And generally the engineers what they are taught in their core domain, they are again related to PLC and SCADA. So generally students from these domains go for PLCs.
Okay. And is there any program which you can offer for the engineers? What are the duration for which to master this technology?
Yeah, we have a lot of programs over here in SETPA also. If you have a look, we have 4 weeks of training program, 6 weeks of training program, and 6 months of the best, the industrial automation program, which is the complete package in order to get a career in industrial automation in over here in SETPA itself. This will give detailed knowledge of industrial automation. So we are looking forward for these kind of programs.
Okay, and people just want to ask that if they are just completing the course, what are the companies which they can be getting into?
See, there are a lot of companies, more than 365 companies over here in Delhi NCR region only, which are based on industrial automation, and there are a lot of names to name the companies. And generally what happens, there are small and mid-level companies also which are getting the outsourced work from foreign countries. This is very good for India, as India is a booming sector and economy is booming right now. So they are getting the outsourced work, which is very important, and they get paid into dollars. So which means after having an experience, after going for the professional training in PLC and SCADA, and after having an experience of 1.5 years, one can opt for the package of 8 to 10 lakhs in good companies. So again, the package sector is also very good over here, and it's very lucrative career over here in PLC and SCADA.
That's very good, and we just encourage our students to come forward and just opt for the PLC and SCADA training program at Setpoint Infotech Private Limited. For more videos, so you can just visit our website www.setpointinfotech.com. Thank you very much.